Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz in the online business world, the lemonway trick. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's set the scene. Imagine you're a freelancer or run a small online store. You've poured your heart and soul into building your business, but there's one constant hurdle: payment processing fees. Those pesky transaction charges can eat away at your profits, making it harder to scale and grow. So, what if there was a way to potentially bypass these fees? That's where the lemonway trick comes in. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. What is the lemonway trick? The lemonway trick revolves around a French payment processing platform called lemonway. This platform offers features similar to popular options like PayPal or Stripe, allowing businesses to receive payments online. However, the trick lies in how lemonway categorizes certain transactions. Here's the key: lemonway treats peer-to-peer, P2P, transfers differently from traditional business transactions. P2P transfers typically incur lower fees compared to business payments. So, the idea behind the lemonway trick is to disguise your business transactions as P2P transfers to potentially avoid higher fees. Why is it tempting? As online businesses, we're all constantly looking for ways to optimize costs and maximize profits. Transaction fees can add up quickly, especially for businesses with high sales volume. The lemonway trick, on the surface, seems like a golden opportunity to slash those fees and keep more money in your pocket. The risks and repercussions. Hold on a minute, though. There's a reason why this is called a trick. Here's the catch: disguising business transactions as P2P transfers is a violation of lemonway's terms of service. If they detect this activity, they could freeze your account, withhold your funds, or even report you to the authorities. Not only is there a financial risk, but there's also a reputational one. Building trust with your customers is crucial for any business. Engaging in activities that could be perceived as deceitful could damage your brand image and customer relationships. Alternatives to the lemonway trick. Before you even consider the lemonway trick, let's explore some legitimate ways to manage your online transaction fees. Negotiate with your existing payment processor. Many processors offer fee tiers based on transaction volume. If your business is growing, reach out to your current provider and see if you can negotiate a lower rate. Compare payment processing platforms. There are a multitude of payment processing options available. Take some time to research different platforms and compare their fees, features, and customer support. You might find a more competitive option that fits your needs. Consider alternative payment methods. Depending on your business model, offering alternative payment options like bank transfers or digital wallets might be a viable way to reduce fees associated with credit card transactions. The lemonway trick might seem like a tempting shortcut, but the risks far outweigh the potential benefits. There are legitimate ways to manage your online transaction fees without jeopardizing your business and reputation. Call to action. Do you have any experience with managing online transaction fees? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Also, let us know what other online business challenges you'd like us to tackle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content on running a successful online business. Until next time.